Hello, welcome to Arty Makes. I'm going to show you how you can make some paper stars using just 3 paper straws, a little bit of string and a pair of scissors. So you start by getting 3 paper straws and cutting those in half like this, snip, and you end up with 6 pieces and you only need 5. So just put that one to the side. Next, just grab your string. I've got some red and white sort of jazzy string that matches my straws almost too well, but I kind of like it. So I've put a little knot in the end of my string and I'm feeding that through each piece of straw, and I'm going to speed this up so that you don't get too bored watching me doing this. If you wanted to do this and make it a little bit quicker, you could use a tapestry needle because this did actually get a little bit fiddly at times. Some of the straws had collapsed slightly in the middle, so it wasn't as easy to feed the string through, so a needle would make that easier. Once you've got all 5 pieces threaded onto your string, just give yourself a little bit extra string at the end, so you don't cut it sort of flush with the end of your straw. So you just give yourself a little bit of kind of wiggle room. Now you've got to then put a knot in the top, and again make sure that your straws can still move so they're not totally rigid but also not too floppy, so it's a bit of a Goldilocks situation. And then also tie another knot a little bit higher up, and then you've got a loop ready for you to hang it on your tree or wherever you want your string to go. So it doesn't look much like a star at the moment, it looks much more like a pentagon, but I promise you it will look more star-shaped very soon. You're going to take this point and move it over to this edge, and that point and move it over to that edge. Now this looks trickier than it is, I promise you it's not. It's just a case of bending and manipulating your shape and the points. Try not to bend the actual sort of edges because that will lose the shape, and you can just sort of feed it over and under like that, and you actually end up with a bit of a star shape. Now that still looks a little bit wonky, so what you can do is just come in and just sort of move it around until you get the shape that you actually want. And yeah, I'm quite happy with that sort of shape. That looks like a star to me. This wasn't the first star that I made though. I have made a few more out of paper straws and I think they look rather sweet. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and I hope that you have a go at making some straw stars. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel and make sure you have a very happy Christmas. Bye bye.